So guys, have you done your homework? What is 1 to 10 in native Korean numbers? 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Good. And then, how do you say 20 people in Korean? It's 20명 or 20사람. Well done. Practice makes perfect. Don't forget to review Korean Counters Part 1. We know how to say 1 to 10 in Korean. Then, do you know how to say 30, 40, and 50? Sino-Korean numerals are easy. You just combine 3, 3, and 10, 10 together. So it's 30. Native Korean numerals are slightly different. You have to memorize. So let's read them together. Let me tell you the Sino-Korean numbers first because it's easier. 10 is 10, and 20 is 20, 30, 30, 40, 40, 50, 50. Okay, now you know. 60, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100, 100, 1000, 1000. Next up, native Korean numbers. It's a little bit harder than the previous one because you have to memorize, but let's try. 10 is 열, 20 is 20, and it becomes 20 in front of counters. 30, 30, 40, 40, 50, 50, 60, 60, 70, 70, 80, 80, 90, 90, and 100 the same. 100, 1000, 1000, 100, and 1000 are Sino-Korean numbers, but also used with native Korean numerals. Quick quiz! What is 76 in Korean? Yes, it's 76 in Sino-Korean and 76 in native Korean. How about 41? 1, 2, 3. Correct. 41 in Sino-Korean and 41 in native Korean. Now, are you ready to learn more Korean count words? Let's go. 살 and 세, age or years old. Korean people often ask questions about your age. And even among friends, people use 호칭 such as 오빠, 형, or 언니, 누나 to someone older than you. And there are two counters used for age, 살 and 세. 살 is used with native Korean numbers and is used in daily conversation. On the other hand, 세 is used with Sino-Korean numerals and it's for formal occasions. For example, on newscasts or newspaper articles.
조카 있어요?
Do you have a niece or nephew? 여자 조카 2명 있어요. 한 명은 3살이고 한 명은 8살이에요. I have two nieces. One is 3 years old and the other is 8 years old. 수연 씨 몇 살이에요? How old are you, 수연? 26살이요. I'm 26 years old. 정말요? 20살인 줄 알았어요. Really? You look like 20 years old. Sorry, guys. 한국에서는 60세 생일을 환갑이라고 해요. When you become 60 in Korea, it is called 환갑. On alcoholic drink labels or tobacco, it says 19세 미만. 청소년에게 판매 금지. No drinking under 19. Next, 년, ear for dates. 년 means ear, and this word is from 한자. So, this counter is combined with Sino-Korean numerals. 2021년 새해 계획이 뭐야? What is your New Year's resolution for 2021? 아직 2020년 같은데 벌써 2021년이라니.
I still feel like it's 2020.
한국어 얼마나 공부했어요? How long have you studied Korean language? 3년 동안 공부했어요. I studied Korean for 3 years. 월, month. 개월 and 달 is also for month. 월 means month and it is also from 한자. What is used to describe the dates and 개월 is the unit for counting the number of the month. For example, February is 2월. You use Sino-Korean here. But 2 months is 2개월. You also use Sino-Korean here. But there is another count word for month. It's 달. 달 means moon, but it is also month. 달 is combined with native Korean numerals. So 2 months, it is 두 달, not 이달. It is 두 달. Then shall we read month in Korean together? January, 1월, February, 2월, March, 3월, April, 4월, May, 5월, June, 6월. It's not 6월, it's 6월. Be careful. July, 7월, August, 8월, September, 9월, October, 10월. Yeah, it's not 10월, it's 10월. It's exception. Be careful. And my birthday is also October. Make sure. November, 11월, December, 12월. Please be aware that June is 6월, not 6월, and October is 10월, not 10월. This is for easier pronunciation. Other than that, all you have to do is combine the number with 월. Let's take some example. 4월인데 벌써 너무 더워. It's true. It's still April and it's still too hot. 8월에는 얼마나 더 더울까? 에어컨 사야겠다. I better buy an air conditioner. It will be hotter in August. Think about it. 오랜만이야. 우리 얼마 만에 만나는 거지? Long time no see. When was the last time we met? 작년 10월에 마지막으로 만났으니까 벌써 6개월이 지났네. Last time we saw was October, so it's been 6 months. 여름방학에 유럽 여행 간다고 했지? I heard you're going on a trip to Europe during the summer vacation. 응, 6월에 출발해서 3개월 정도 여행할 것 같아. Yes, I will depart in June and travel for about 3 months. And in here, instead of 3개월, you can say 3달. Yeah, it means the same. 3달 or 3개월. 1, it's for day. We know how to read year and month in Korean. Then now it's time to learn day. 1 means day. And as in a period of 1 day, and it is also the count word for days. It is combined with Sino-Korean numerals. 살아있니? 3일 동안 연락이 없길래. Are you alive? I haven't heard from you for 3 days. 너는 한 달 넘게 사라진 적도 있잖아. 3일 가지고 무슨? Last time you disappeared for 1 month. No big deal. 앞으로는 1일 1카톡 할게. From now on, I will send you Kakao messages every day. 오늘 며칠이지? What day is it today? 오늘 4월 25일. 곧 5월이네. Today is April 25th. May is around the corner. 수연 씨, 생일이 언제예요? When is your birthday, 수연? 제 생일은 10월 23일이에요. Now we know how to read dates in Korean. And I have a question for you. 생일이 언제예요? Please reply in Korean in the comment section. And do not use digits. Use Hangul. Okay? Thank you for watching. And stay tuned for part 3. Part 3 also exists. And also we recently released a monthly magazine. It's called With Love from Korea. Yeah. What we always say, and it's the name of our magazine, and it includes the places to go in Korea, what's trending in Korea, and most importantly, monthly Korean workbook, and a lot of fun things. So please go to our website and check our magazine that we made with love from Korea. Bye guys.